Hello, friends. Welcome back to News You Can Eat. This is Chef Walter. How to grill corn. This is a simple guide. Grilling corn is a delicious way to bring out its natural sweetness and add a smoky charred flavor. And whether you're using a gas grill, charcoal grill, or even an open flame, these are some easy steps to making perfect grilled corn. Step 1. Choose fresh corn. Always pick ears with bright green husks and plump kernel. Fresh corn should always feel firm and slightly moist. Step 2. Prep the corn. You can grill corn with or without the husk. If you decide with the husk on, peel back the husk but don't remove it completely. Remove the silk, then fold it back over the corn. Soak in water for 15 to 30 minutes to prevent the burning. In the case you're choosing husk off, remove the husk and the silk completely, then brush with vegetable oil or unsalted butter to prevent the sticking. Step 3. Preheat the grill. Heat your grill to a medium high, usually 375 to 400 Fahrenheit. If you're using charcoal, let the coals burn until they are covered with white ash. Step 4. Grill the corn. Husk on, place directly on the grill and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally until kernels are tender. Husk off, grill for 8 to 12 minutes, turning every few minutes until lightly charred. Step 5. Add the flavor. Once grilled, brush with melted butter, sprinkle with salt, pepper, or your favorite seasonings like chili powder, parmesan, or lime juice. Step 6. The best time. Serve and enjoy. Grilled corn pairs perfectly with barbecue dishes, salads, or standard alone snack. For extra flavor, try Mexican sweet corn eyote, coat with mayonnaise, cojita cheese, chili powder, and lime. Grilling corn quickly and easily add a smoky twist to a summer favorite. Try it at your next cookout. Have a great summer. Ciao, ciao.